this video, we are going to learn what is PLC and what is the Delta PLC DVP models. PLC is basically programmable logic controllers are programmable control devices that process the information from the inputs in the program written in the CPU and operate the devices connected to their outputs as desired. So we have a PLC, we have IOs, and also we have outputs. So inputs, according to our inputs, CPU, this is our CPU. So CPU is processing information inside of it, and it is giving an output and connected outputs devices as desired according to programmer, according to who designed the PLC programs, and etc. So we can say it with the fast developing technology, PLCs are logic controller devices that it is used in the wider control area integrated with analog control, position control, and different communication systems. So different communication systems means we can use Modbus, Profinet, Profibus, Ethercat, CANopen, and Ethernet IP communications as basically, and these are really popular and the common communication communication techniques in the industrial area. But for Delta PLCs, Modbus is the very common. And for example, for the Delta PLCs, if you need to use Profibus communication, you need to add extra special modules. But the important thing of this video, you must learn, also we need to understand this, CPU or PLCs are reacting according to inputs and assigning or changing to outputs according to inputs. Inputs is really important for the CPU, and according to these inputs and according to our programs, CPU changes its own outputs. So PLCs are working like this. DVP series PLC models is that DVP SS2, so SS means slim and standard, SA2 SA, slim and advanced, SA means slim and Ethernet communication, and SX2 slim analog, and SV2 slim high performance. So the names are coming: slim, standard, advanced or Ethernet, and analog and performance. But in here we can just immediately check in what is the PLC structure. You can see it in here. Power, is it powered or not? Is it run situation or not? Is it giving an error or not? These are the LEDs, and this is SS, our common cable can connect to here, must connect to here, and X0 to X7, these are inputs as physical, and this is up ZP, this is a transistor output PLC. So we need to put in here 24 volt and 0 volt, and in here we will get our outputs, and in here you can see run and stop switch. So we can change CPU situation from run to stop or stop to run with this switch. And in here, for example, this black area, the circle, this is RS232 communication point. So we can go online or connect to PLC with our own computer from here, and under the PLC you're gonna see RS485 communication socket or connection points. For example, DVP 28SV, this is, we have power LED and run LED and error LED and also battery low LED, and in here also RS232 and 485 communication LEDs. While it's communicating, these LEDs are flashing, and in here relay output C0 C1, these should be 24 volt and common, because what we need from output, what we need to get from output 0 volt or 24 volts, we need to put or connect this voltage value to our output's common point. And in here you can see run and stop switch in here, and also connection point of PLC, and inputs and outputs and the common points and other inputs. And you can see while the our models are changing a little bit, structure is also changing. The, how can I say, it is giving a lot of opportunity to us. In here, for example, we can use 16 input, and also in here I'm counting 2, 4, 6 and 8 and 12 output in just one CPU. And in here for the SS2 we have just 8 input and just 6 output. So for example, you need more than 8 input and more than 6 output, and just you want to buy one CPU. According to DVP series PLC models of the Delta, you can select this one or this one and this one, but this is already up to you. This is just an introduction video. So for a moment I'm finished here. See you in the next video.